Well, your cat is very interested in what you're doing.
This is the torque converter.
Yeah.
And this is the flex plate. That hooks on with 6 big bolts to the flywheel.
Okay.
And this is what, when you put your starter in there, this is what turns over the...
Okay.
These are all the new studs underneath here
Okay.
that we put on today, both sides.
Okay.
And these bolts are in here. They're made special, so you only got to take the nuts off because this ear will lock, eh?
Okay.
So you don't need 2 wrenches. Fucking starter wouldn't fit. Yeah. Right through. Yeah. Okay, throw that in there now. Stand right on it. Okay, Phil? Yep, take her up.
You need it to go up or you good?
Go up a little bit. Just go gently. Okay, push it ahead. So then I'll left go the other side. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Ahead.
Okay.
Up. You gotta get up high enough to push it in. Your cart has to. Okay, push her in. Hold it. Now we have to go down easy. Hold it. Okay. Ahead again. Hold it. Okay, down a little bit. Down a tad one. Okay, okay, that'll go up now. So we can clear that. What about?
Well, we took the 3 of us here. Just a light amount of swearing to get this into place, but It's in. Here's the other end.
Okay, the next thing now is we're going to line this up perfectly and make a motor mount.
Okay.
Or transmission mount. The mounts go right under here. There's studs.
Okay.
And so we're going to make a mount off of that frame and that frame.
Okay.
Drill holes and get this thing lined up.
Okay.
I'll get the light and now we got to find our drive shaft yet. It's the wrong drive shaft. And a starter off standard transmission won't work on an automatic, so we have to get it. What it looks like here when everything's in place. That's the motor mounts.
Yeah.
We'll take all these chains off now and we're in business. That's enough for today.
Okay. How's the sense of ha-ha? Up or down?
Oh no, it's very good.
Yeah?
Once you get the motor in, you're out.
Yeah? Okay,
Your
good.
oil is way perkier.
Like I said, you know.
You gotta swear a little bit.
Yeah.
Just don't get God involved. It's usually your fault or you've
Yeah.
done something crazy
Okay.
and it eventually comes along.
Yeah.
Hey, maybe it's to help.
And it's nice to get help that concentrates. eh?
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
And don't yell at the son because he's cooking supper.
Yeah. Pull it up a bit and then take it out. Get it right to the back there, okay?
That's enough.
That's good, good. Make sure it's locked. Right back on there.
So, are you happy with how everything turned out here?
Yeah, we got everything marked. We got the distributor marked,
Okay.
rotor marked, timing, so we can slap it all together.
What are you missing here? Do you have to do thermostat or?
Thermostat, water pump, wiring,
Okay.
that's all small stuff. The big
Okay.
thing now is transmission mount, drive shaft, and brake, and
Okay.
then we'll go to the shifter.
Okay. So was this a normal engine repair for you, or
Yeah, well,
a
this
lot of
is
headache, or?
not really an engine repair. It was mostly manifold and a few odds and ends like leaking valve cover gaskets.
Okay. And you put in new gaskets
Yep.
and everything.
So it's good to go. Next time it comes out, it gets a major overhaul
Okay.
because these engines are well worth overhauling.
Yeah.
They're better than the new ones.